Hi and welcome to the House of Valentina. I'm Valentina and today's video is going to be so much fun because we are loading you up with new items that have just arrived at Ikea that will really help you create a luxurious home. We've got lots of tips and tricks that we're going to be sharing along the way about how to style up these items. Here at the House of Valentina, we love to be able to help you guys create a luxurious home that is still on a budget. And Ikea is one of our favorite places. It's a guilty pleasure. We just love to go there. So we hope that you'll go ahead and hit subscribe if you haven't already, give the video a thumbs up, and also be sure to check out our Ikea playlist because we have loaded you up with lots of ideas, lots of styling tips, lots of other great items, our favorites. We have a lot. We really do love Ikea. So be sure to check that out and let's jump in. First item for today is this really cute TILLSYN. It is a little decorative hourglass and I just absolutely love these. My family loves them. My husband and my kids are always walking into the room and flipping these over. One of the reasons that I really like these clear hourglasses is because they're just a really fun, interactive accessory that makes your coffee table, your bookshelf, your console table, wherever you've put these, it makes them just a fun, interactive piece that everyone can walk up to, flip them over, and I think it just reminds you to actually touch the things on your coffee table, to touch your decor, and for it to be interactive. I think it's such a small item that it can get lost if it's left all on its own. But if you group it with a great plant or with a candle, you can really make it just feel really fun and sophisticated. For $6.99, this is a great accessory that will really help bring a high level of sophistication to your home and also one that is also fun. Item number 2 is the STÄNGERUM rug. This one just came out and it is about 8 by 10 and it is the perfect size if you're looking for a rug for a bedroom. I really like this for if you have a smaller living room. I love the fact that this high pile rug has a really modern look to it. It really has that sort of luxury, really neutral kind of look that I really like to create in the homes that we're designing. And I think that this high pile makes it really soft. It's something that you'll really enjoy having your feet on. And these Ikea rugs are always such a great price. This one is only $2.49. It's such an affordable rug. And this one is made of synthetic fibers. It's also really easy to take care of, which of course I personally love, because if you have kids or pets, or if you like to maybe have a beverage that is colored, a lot of times if you spill something on a rug, it can be a little bit difficult, but I love these Ikea rugs because they're so easy to clean. Item number 3 is the CHILIFRUKT, and this beautiful vase is so fun. For only $9.99, it is not only a vase, but it is also a watering can. It is such a beautiful vase, and I really love that it just has such a modern, clean line look to it. It really just gives you a very artistic feeling in your home. This one totally has Alvar Aalto vibes to it, and that one for a less than 5-inch vase is $129.99, which of course I love, and I do actually own one of those myself, and I love to use that as a vase, but sometimes even that is too short, and I really like the height of this CHILIFRUKT vase / watering can. It's such a great time with summer here to be able to fill it with flowers from the garden, but also it'll be something that you'll be able to use year-round and always to be able to switch out your florals and your greenery and really just bring that life into your spaces. Next up is the GRADVIS vase, or the plant pot. I think these are so cute. They are tiny but mighty, and these are perfect for being able to add herbs in your kitchen maybe, or to add a little succulent in the bedroom, and they are petite at only 2¼ inches tall, but they can really add a punch. You could actually do several of these and group them together, maybe on the dining table. You could have a tray with a couple of them on there and a couple other items. The black color is the new color, and they have got them in gray, pink, and dark gray, but the black really adds a beautiful sophistication. I do think that there's something that will really add just an artistic vibe to your spaces and just a level of elegance. And at a whopping $2, you really can afford to splash out. So go ahead and pop these in your cart and get a few. Next up, we have the GROERYD utility cart, which comes in this beautiful bronze color. If you are looking for something that will really just dress up your spaces, this cart is perfect. I know a lot of us would typically use this as a bar cart, and it would be so cute, loaded up with beautiful glassware and maybe your favorite beverages, and it would be really, really pretty. But I think something like this could also be used as a side table. It can be used for extra storage in the bathroom even. It's one of those pieces that's very versatile, and I love the fact that it's on wheels and you can really move it from space to space. So many of us bought the Rostkog utility cart a few years ago when it first came out. I bet most of you actually own one of those. I just think that this new one, the GROERYD, really is just so much more sophisticated and elegant, and for $159, it really is a great price for a great piece. Next up, we have the KNARDRUP. This is a low pile light gray rug. Now this is a little bit more petite at 5 by 7, but it's perfect if you have maybe a smaller bedroom, or you need an area rug maybe in the entry or in a small living area. This will be perfect. And for $129, it's such a great price. Some of the things that I absolutely love about this rug are the fact that it's made from recycled polyester. It's so amazing how Ikea is really trying to use more and more recycled materials to become more sustainable. And so I really get excited about products like this. But I also want a product that's gonna make my space feel more sophisticated, and it's also gonna feel more luxurious. And this one is gonna be super, super soft. It's got a little bit of a shine to it. I imagine that this would be beautiful paired with a white sofa. You could go with some velvet cushions and a really beautiful coffee table. And suddenly you have a very sophisticated space. If you finish it off with a nice big plant and a big piece of bold art, you've really been able to create a very high-end look with very little money. I'm very excited about the next item, the BERÄKNA. This is so cute. I have a vase like this that I actually used in my mom's room makeover, and I didn't buy one for myself, and I have always regretted it because it's been one of my favorite pieces that she had, and every time I go to her house, I try to steal it and she notices. So for $9.99, I can go to Ikea and get my own. This one is a little over 11 inches, which is the perfect height for summer blooms. This would be beautiful in a grouping on a coffee table. You could use a couple of these on the dining table, maybe one of these on a bedside table. You can go and clip just little greenery from your yard or your garden. Maybe go to the store and grab some eucalyptus. It's such a modern, sophisticated piece, and yet it's so easy to change up your look with this. And I love a vase that, while it does seem quite basic, it's one of those things that you just end up using over and over, and I just really like it. Every home needs a modern piece, so whether your style is very traditional or it's very modern or anything in between, you can always use a lamp like the DEJSA. This lamp really is such a great find. It's only $37.99, and I really love it because it really has a sculptural feel to it. It's really doing so many things for so little money. Not only is it giving you a sculptural look, but it also is adding ambient light to your space. This one comes with a dimmer switch, which is perfect because you can control the lighting, and maybe you'll want to bring the light all the way up, or maybe you want to dim it down and add some candlelight. That mouth bone glass has such a high artisanal feel to it. So when you put that together with the sculptural feel of this piece, it is a total win. It is a little bit on the petite side at 11 inches, but that makes it perfect for a little side table. It makes it perfect for you can add this to the kitchen. I like to add a lamp to the bathroom. There's so many different ways that you'll be able to use this lamp, and it will really add such a high level of luxury and also just a little nod to modernism. We've got the VANKSLIG candle. This has such a great scent. It is lime, basil, and mandarin. And it is so beautiful. It is the perfect scent for the summertime. It comes in a beautiful black mouth-blown glass container. Really just brings that cozy feeling to your spaces, and I just think there's something so luxurious about a candle. And this one is only $6.99 for a 3-wick candle. That's such a great price. You're gonna get a beautiful container that you can continuously use even when this candle is done. I like to add little tea lights to them later on and just keep using the container. The black color is just so classy, and it really just elevates any space that you're going to put it into. Item number 10 is one that I personally am very excited about. I have mentioned the SANELA cushion covers so many times on my channel. It's one of my favorite items, and Ikea has just come out with the light beige color. This is the 26 by 26, and this is the perfect cushion for any of you who have jumped onto the white sofa bandwagon. I know I love it, and I love to be able to fill that white sofa with a tone-on-tone look. And these cushions at $12.99 a piece are a bargain. I love the quality of these. The velvet is so soft, and if you put the down insert in these, they really will add a high level of luxury to your space, and it will make it feel luxurious to just really get cozy on your sofa. It's just fun to mix up your space. Sometimes we can just get so bored with what we have, and these are a great way of just mixing things up a little bit. You can actually take your back cushions off your sofa and just fill the back with these because they are so big. They're 26 by 26. So this is the perfect size to fill the back of your sofa. But you can also choose to just add them with the back cushion still on there and just do a tone-on-tone look. And because they come in so many colors, you could even add in an extra color for an accent. But either way, I know that you guys will absolutely love the SANELA pillow covers because I've used them for years and I just absolutely love them. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I hope it really inspired you to check out Ikea. Even if you have a high budget, it's just fun to be able to mix in some items. I think that Ikea is such a fun place to source. You really can create a beautiful home on a budget, and you guys know that we really just believe in the democracy of design, that everyone deserves a beautiful home. We're so grateful for places like Ikea that give us so many great finds and help us to stay on that budget, and I think it's just fun even just to look, don't you? We had so much fun. I hope you did too. Don't forget, hit subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and check out the Ikea playlist as well. And we will see you guys in the next one. Cheers. Bye.
Oh.